What's up guys, welcome back to Kevin on Cars. My name is Kevin and today we have the 2019 Civic Coupe Sport and it is a manual. So as usual, I will do a quick walk around the car and then I'll show you guys the interior, and finally we'll take it down this beautiful California back road for a quick test drive. So for the exterior, the first thing you'll notice is that this is a coupe, which is really rare according to the owner. So usually you'll see either the sedan, the four-door version, or the hatchback, which doesn't curve down, it just goes straight back. According to the owner, one thing that it's kind of annoying when owning a coupe is that you don't get a lot of aftermarket parts, but there are a lot of aftermarket parts for the hatchback and the normal sedan version. So if you want to mod your car a lot, you might want to keep this in mind. So the second thing is this color is called Rallye Red. It's Rallye with an E, R-A-L-L-Y-E. Very interesting. But the color itself is really cool. It looks like the red on a Ferrari 458, I'll say. Just like makes the car super sporty. All right, now going to the back. Well, one thing everyone noticed is this HDMI port in the back, and is the exhaust. So that's one thing that I hate about this car. But other than that, the back looks very cool with this LED taillights across. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the exterior. Oh, and also I really like the rims too. Very modern and sporty. Here you go. All right, now we're gonna explore the interior. Let's start up the car. So as you can see, this is super cool dash layout with the huge center tachometer. Oh, turn that off. And on the left side you can see the temperature gauge, and on the right there is your fuel gauge. And overall the ergonomics is really good. There's like a couple buttons for AC, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a lot of fancy stuff. Couple of blank buttons though. And let's talk about the manual gearbox. So this gearbox is actually really nice feeling in the hand because it has a short throw and it's really accurate. One thing I don't, it's kind of questionable because when you put into fifth gear, if you go too far, you might go into the reverse gear and then you can't go up. So when I first was driving this car, I had issue with this, but you'll get used to it, I'm sure. All right, let's have a quick listen to the engine. Yeah, so this is a stock exhaust. It sounds all right, nothing too special. And yeah, but if you put there's probably a aftermarket exhaust for it, so you can probably put that on and it will sound a lot nicer. Give it a couple revs. All right, let's go for the test drive. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that this clutch is really light. And problem with that is you don't really feel where the bite point is. So as you can see before, I almost stalled this. I mean, it's probably me, but if it's a little bit heavier, I would have a better idea of where the bite point is. But there's a benefit to this, is when you're driving in traffic, you keep switching between gears, then your left foot wouldn't be doing a huge leg day in traffic. So let's talk about the handling. Handling of this car is awesome, literally great, because this car is actually really light. It's around 2,800 pounds. It's basically the same weight as my mini JCW, and with this kind of weight, you'll expect really good turn-ins and really precise turn-ins. Second gear, full throttle, 65,000 RPM red line, or somewhere like that. It's really nice. It's what you expect from a naturally aspirated engine. Really linear power delivery. Yeah, just through that off-camber turn right there is so stable. Oh yeah, one thing I don't really like is the rev hang in this car. It's really noticeable when you're shifting up from any gear. So after you punch the throttle, so basically here, let me go to third. All right, let's go through this turn. So you can hear the rev kept going up after I let off the throttle, after I hit the clutch. So yeah, that's kind of annoying, but that's pretty much all. A lot of modern cars has this problem with the rev hang. So should you buy this car? Well, depends on what you're trying to get. If you're trying to drag race this car against, like, I don't know, Camaros and Corvettes, I mean, obviously it's not gonna end well if you want to win. But if you just want something practical and fun and feel efficient, this is definitely a great choice in this price for a new car. Because like I don't really know what other car that's more fun than this car for around $20,000. Well, anyways, this will wrap up our today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please hit the like button to let me know. And if you have any questions regarding to this car or other cars, drop a comment. And lastly, if you want to see more of these kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Kevin on Cars. So as always, drive safe, have fun. See you guys next time.